What's up guys, it's me Geek. Here's my essential phone PH-1. I really love my phone a lot, to be honest with you. This is an amazing phone. I really love my phone a lot. So yeah, let me do the temperature test. Okay, let me see. As you can see from the front, let me do the speed. Okay, the max is 36 Celsius. It's quite good. It's quite good. From the back is 36 also. The minimum is 35. The maximum is 34. It's quite good. Okay. The temperature is quite good, to be honest with. It's not that hot. This phone do not become hot. It's there. Like this. So yeah, this was the temperature test for the essential for PH-1. If we are going to game, the phone will have no problem. Handling it. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, and all the links are in the description box below. Bye.